Hi, my name is Richard Bland and I'm the co-founder and lead developer here at MEM Digital. Welcome. Now, can you believe it? I've actually been designing and building websites since I was 12 years old. And over that time, I've gained a really good understanding of the fundamentals of website design and construction. As a front-end developer, or what we used to call webmaster, I've built a career that has lasted 22 years and counting. And I consider myself incredibly fortunate to have found a role that I've been deeply passionate about since the very beginning. So now it's time for me to give back. And what I would like to do is build a community of like-minded individuals where I can share my expertise and experiences whilst helping you to achieve the business of your dreams. Now, I've got an ever-growing portfolio of websites, e-commerce stores and graphic designs under my belt. And I've adopted WordPress as the core framework for many of my own project builds. Couple that with my experience of coding in HTML, CSS, PHP, knowledge of several digital web builder platforms, marketing tools, CRM solutions, and even automation tools. I'm pretty confident that I can provide the solutions to you and your clients for the projects as they come in. What I'm offering though is more than just a white label website design and build service. It's a growing community of like-minded creatives and entrepreneurs who want to learn, inspire, and be inspired by others as we all embark on this journey to financial freedom together. And it is possible. With the right people behind you, you can achieve it quicker than you think. Now at the moment, spaces for my web partnership are limited. So book a one-to-one call with me today and let's see if we are a good match for the next phase of your journey. But if you do just need a white label service for a single project, book a scoping session and we can price accordingly for your needs. I look forward to meeting with you and I look forward to working with you. Take care.